Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil. So we got a lot to talk about, and I hope he's doing all right. I got some texts from him I want to go over. Rooms. They say these mothers, these certain type of mothers, they're not letting the child's room.
This is Robert Downey Jr. I don't know if you were told, but Jeff's not going to be here today, and
maybe you look like a divine spirit. And I know your spirit, and I've seen your spirit on camera. Not anymore. Clean sober. Many years.
Dude.
I mean, so do you drink?
Not anymore.
Dude.
Clean sober. Many years.
But recorded, you know, that's the thing about it.
I hope so. This is what.
They don't want to ask anymore.
Retract that.
Look, people do what they do.
You drink?
And I'm a fan. What can I tell you?
Share the exact same phenomenon.
Well, I'm a fan too, and
It is the inability to stay focused, and you have this inhibition.
I heard that you are also. I can assure you.
Intuition are off the sort of.
All the freaking caps.
My views a bit to the theta or the show, which is the reality.
I wish you would.
Kind of create a little equilibrium for or the beta to the.
I have five sway.
I feel you
Let me ask the question.
a psychological approach.
You remember you have atelitism or animism implementers.